Hello everyone, today I will introduce Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. The set includes 12-piece symmetric ratchet with an 8 to 19 wrench kit. This is an 11mm wrench. To the right of the wrench is the ratchet.
Oh my God.
This is the ratchet adjustment direction arrow. This is the size stamp, the brand logo, and the reverse is the same. Here is the wrench of smooth. Second, let's take a look at each wrench.
Go nuts when the bass go boom, 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 boom.
Oh my God.
The size of each wrench is on the cloth bag.
I don't talk tough, I live the life. See cat fall off, better get it right. Going all night long, come on. The DJ spinning like we're here to fight. Got all of my girls in the song.
The ratchet end can only bear text display 1000 to 1 to 0 torque. Do not use it in the scene of excessive torque if it is too large. Use the open end as much as possible.